In today's video, we are going to show you how to automate your e-commerce bookkeeping using Dext Commerce Lite. So you can stop wasting hours on manual data entry and focus on growing your business. Dext Commerce Lite is a tool designed specifically for e-commerce sellers because it automatically pulls in your sales data from platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and more, then organizes everything into a clean, accurate summaries ready for your accounting software. So think of it as your automated bridge between your stores and your books. But before we begin, you want to make sure that your accounts for bookkeeping, such as Xero, QuickBooks, as well as your e-commerce store like Amazon and Shopify, are ready because it's a lot easier to integrate. And remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. So, let's begin. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to scroll down until you find the business settings, which can be found at the bottom left corner. Click the gear icon and then click the connections, because this is where all your integrations and sales data will live. Now, in our previous video, we showed you how to connect your accounting software such as QuickBooks and Xero that you might want to check in our channel so you have a seamless, perfect data sync within your Dext account. So we're not going to show it to you today. All I have to do is check that out in our channel. But the idea is just connect all of these by clicking the connect button and click the connect software. You can do this again to other accounting software like QuickBooks and follow the on-screen instruction. Once you've done that, you would notice that you have already connected your both QuickBooks Online and of course your Xero. Now, after briefly connecting your bookkeeping accounting softwares, click the connections again, and then scroll down until you find the sales connections or Commerce Lite. Because we need to connect our store here, click the add connection, and you may notice that you can choose your different platforms like Shopify, PayPal, Square, Squarespace, Not on High Street, Big Cartel, OnBuy, Walmart, Wix, WooCommerce, Stripe, eBay, PretaShop, and a lot more. So, first of all, I'm going to connect my Shopify store. Now, for the shop name, it has a specific instructions. Okay, so I am going to switch to my Shopify account and copy the shop URL, which is going to be this one. Copy, paste it on shop name, and then for the document enter, just click the connect button. And what will happen is you will be forwarded to your Shopify or e-commerce platform. And all I have to do at this point is click the install button so you can perfectly sync and automate the e-commerce bookkeeping right into the Dext platform. Now, you want to make sure to enter all of the following information. And how would you like to automate the e-commerce bookkeeping with Dext Commerce Lite? Is it going to be like just cost, just sales? But we are going to automate both costs and sales. If you want to put in the default supplier, you can do that. Okay. Default customer, import transactions from. You have the ability to customize and control all of these information. Okay. For now, we are going to click the Start Sync. This may take a little while depending on the complexity of your store. And just like that, our Shopify store has been perfectly connected to Dext. Okay, so our next option is going to be connecting another e-commerce. I'm going back again to the connections. Okay, you see that you have multiple options at the Commerce Lite. We are going to leverage and fully exhaust this amazing tool by adding another connection. Okay, so we already connected Shopify. Now we are going to connect Squarespace because I have a website powered by Squarespace. I'm going to click the connect button. Now, I'm going to make sure that my Squarespace website is ready. All right, so I'm going to go back again to Dext and click the connect button. And from here, you want to make sure to allow access for Dext to connect to your Squarespace. All right, click the allow button. Once connected, again, Dext will automatically start pulling your transaction data, so you can choose from the following: just costs, just sales, cost and sales. We can do that here. So for example, we're going to put in another one for default customers and import transactions from. You can put in a specific date for this. Let's say 11. All right. And then from here, all I have to do now at this point is click the start sync. And just like that, our Squarespace has been successfully connected as well. Okay? After connecting, let Dext sync your historical and ongoing sales data. This includes any orders, refunds, fees, taxes, and payouts. So no more downloading CSV files or manually entering numbers. Everything updates automatically. Now here's the fun part. If you want to add more connection again, it's okay. You can connect as many platforms as you can. Now in this case, let's say if you have an eBay or Stripe, you can add it here. Or connect your eBay. Click the connect button. So we are going to automate our e-commerce bookkeeping right at the click of Dext. Okay, and from here, just click the agree and continue. And similar to the options earlier, we're going to choose the cost and sales. We're going to put in our default supplier and click the start sync. And we have successfully connected our eBay, our Shopify, and our Squarespace. Now, having said all of that, we simply need to go back to our main homepage for this specific client. And then you would notice that we have already connected our accounting bookkeeping software for this account. Now, what you can do is review the daily or monthly summaries, check sales, fees and taxes, suppliers, ensure everything is categorized correctly. All right? Because this ensures your books stay accurate and audit ready. And if you click the QuickBooks, you will be forwarded to the main platform of QuickBooks for you to ensure that all your bookkeeping becomes fully automated. Okay? Because this setup is really a game changer. You can set rules for categorization. You can enable auto-publishing, schedule regular syncing. From here, your bookkeeping becomes fully automated. It really helps you reduce errors and improves accuracy, keeps your financial data organized and up to date, makes tax reporting and reconciliation easier, especially if you connected your bank here. And remember to make it a habit to review your summaries weekly because the automation handles the heavy lifting, but a quick check ensures everything stays perfect. And that brings us to the end of today's walkthrough on how to automate e-commerce bookkeeping with Dext Commerce Lite. If you have been manually tracking sales, reconciling transactions, or stressing over messy data, this tool can seriously change the game. Automating your bookkeeping not only saves time, but also reduces errors and gives you clear, real-time financial insights so you can actually focus on growing your store. Dext Commerce Lite is a solid choice for e-commerce sellers who want a simple yet powerful way to streamline their bookkeeping. It's especially useful if you are dealing with multiple transactions daily and want everything synced and organized without the headache. While it does require a subscription, the time and effort you save can easily outweigh the cost. Before you go, do not forget to check out the rest of our Dext tutorial series on the channel if you want to master automation even further. And if you're ready to get started, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description. It helps support the channel and gets you on track faster at no extra cost to you. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions or maybe suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.